Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action of gold US dollar currency pairs from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Before that, when we look at the economical events plan for today is May 19th, Friday. At 6 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for Canadian dollar related currency pairs, and at 8:30 p.m. we have high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs, and there are no other high impact news plan for other major currency pairs. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. So I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame from the past, from the support level of around 1812, we have noticed a price action to continuously trend on the bullish side, making a higher high and lower high and higher high and lower high. So every time it went on a bullish rally, we have noticed it to retrace, then to bounce back on the bullish rally, again to retrace, to retest on the previous high. It has always taken the liquidity around this area in order to continue further on the bullish side. Again it has bounced back to previous high and took the liquidity around here. But when we look at the area at this location, we have noticed the price action has not bounced back to take the liquidity around this area. And currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So if the bearish side retracement continues, we can expect the price action to retrace up to this level of 1850 or even to the level of 1812. So it has a unmitigated order blocks over here, which the price action has to take in order to continue further on the bullish side trend or to break this and to continue further on the bearish trend. But the information we have that it will be retracing up to this level. And when we look at the current trend of the price action, we are noticing the price action to again bounce back on the bearish side retracement, and based on the past price action, this level which had acted as a support is currently acting as a support and resistance for the present price action. So we have noticed the price action to take support around this area. So while the price action is coming on a bearish side retracement, we can expect the price action to again take support around this area, because we will be having lots of buyers who will prevent the market from falling further on the bearish side. And only when the price action breaches this support zone, we can expect the price action to test the next level of support. So now I have marked everything as a support zone for the future price actions also based on the past price action retracement level. And looking at the current price action, we are noticing the price action to properly bounce back and also retrace to the previous resistance level. But from this level, when we notice it, it has not bounced back to retest this previous resistance level, and it is continuously falling on a bearish side retracement, which means that we can expect the price action to again bounce back to retest at these levels over here. It can happen immediately, or it can happen once the price action takes the liquidity around the unmitigated zone and to bounce back to retest at this level over here. So you have to understand the price action based on which you have to make decisions on the entry and exit levels. And for now, when we look at the current trend of the price action, it is in a bearish trend because it is trading below this blue color resistance line or a trend line. So after testing this resistance zone, we have noticed the price action to move to the next support zone and to break the previous support zone also, and to take support on the support zone between 1950 to 1937. Here also we have one more trend line or the support line where we have noticed the price action to take support. So we can expect the price action to bounce back to retest on the previous resistance zone. It can go up to this resistance line or take resistance at the mid of this resistance line and to bounce back to break this support zone. So this is how I am expecting the price action to move for the future, as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line. So when we look at the levels using the Fibonacci tool, so currently the price action has breached the 38.20% of the Fibonacci level. We can expect the price action to retest this resistance level, which is going to be around 1969, and to bounce back to retest on the support level of 50%, which is going to be around 1937 to 1951. Once the price action breaches this support zone, next level of support is going to be around 61.80% of the Fibonacci's level, and the support zone is going to be around 1916 to 1908. And once the price action breaches this support zone, next level of support is going to be around 1895 to 1885, and then 1865 to 1855, which is going to be around 78.60% of the Fibonacci's level. So this is the price action I am expecting for the future if the bearish trend continues. Let us look at the price action for the hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now, and when we look at the price action in hourly time frame after testing the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, we have noticed the price action to continuously trend on the bearish side in a bearish trend. Currently it has taken support around the support level of 1951 to 1937, and it is on a bullish side retracement, and if the bullish side retracement continues, we can expect the price action to take resistance around this resistance zone between 1989 to 1969 and to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. The current support zone is also at the previous trend line or the support line. It has to break this support line in order to fall further on the bearish side retracement. So for the hourly time frame also, I have drawn a trend line or a resistance line. So if the price action bounces back from the previous support line on the bullish side retracement, we can expect the price action to take resistance on the previous resistance line and to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. Or I would recommend you to wait for the price action to retrace back to this resistance line in order to continue trading on the bearish side retracement, because we have a very strong support zone from the past price action. It has to retrace to this resistance level in order to breach this strong support zone, or we'll require a very strong news in order to break this support zone. And when we look at the support and resistance levels, currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1956 and the resistance level of 1975. Once the price action breaches this support level of 1956, next level of support is going to be around 1933, 1915 and 1894 on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the bullish side retracement continues, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1975, 1990, 2000, 2008 and 2016. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now, and when we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, we have noticed the price action to test the hourly time frame resistance line and continuously trend on the bearish side, taking resistance on the 30 minutes time frame. For now, as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame, we can expect the bearish trend to continue. Here again we have the 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line, and only when the price action breaches this support line, we can expect the further continuation of the bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame. And if the price action breaches this resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame, we can expect it to retest on the hourly time frame trend line or the resistance line. Although the current price action is in a bearish trend, it is consolidating between this trend line from the 4 hours time frame and the resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame. Wait for the price action to give a direction breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to freshly enter on the directional trade in 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1958 and support level of 1951, and if the bullish side retracement continues, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1964, 1969, 1972, 1975, 1977 and 1979. And on the bearish side, if the price action bounces back from the resistance level of 1958 on the bearish side retracement, the immediate support is going to be around 1951, 1945, 1942 and 1937. And please refer the higher time frame support levels for the bearish side targets. So to summarize, currently the price action in lower time frame, which is 30 minutes time frame, is also in a bearish trend, and in the higher time frame is also in a bearish trend, and we can expect the bearish trend to continue as long as the price action is trading below this higher time frame, which is 4 hours time frame resistance line. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.